Can you finance a movie with pre-sales? Well, pre-sales was kind of a thing that happened way back. You're talking like the 80s and 90s, where you could literally have an idea for a film or a pitch packet with potential cast and get financing. Go to the AFM, go in front of distributors and buyers, and they would just say, hey, listen, here's something called the negative pickup deal, which means we'll give you X amount of dollars when the film is delivered, or here's some financing right now so that you can go make that movie. All right, that doesn't really exist anymore. There are filmmakers that'll reach out to me, or they'll come to AFM or something like that, and they'll say, hey, listen, I have this pitch packet, here's our potential cast. Do you think you could give us financing for that based on this potential cast? And the risk there is, one, are you going to get the cast? And two, are you going to be able to make a great movie? So the only way I would say these days is to get pre-sales is when you have legitimate A-list talent attached. And that does not mean some, B-list actor, C-list actor that's appeared in a ton of movies and you might know his face, or, you might go, oh yeah, he's been around, in the 80s, he was a huge star. Not good enough. I'm talking like Matthew McConaughey type names. That's the size of the names you need for the film to be able to get pre-sales. And I'm not saying, and you're thinking to yourself, well, how the hell did I get Matthew McConaughey? I'm not saying you have to go out and do that. I'm saying that's the level that exists in order to get pre-sales. If you would like more information about filmmaking, click on the link in the description below.